Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rose Petty and don't mind my hair today. I'm going to be putting a wig on so you won't even see it when I'm all done. Today I'm going to be doing a pink and purple look and it'll be super cute. It's going to be with my Norvina 1 palette. This one right here. Oh, I love it so much. I have used it a couple times now and the only problem that I've had with it so far is that the black doesn't blend very well. Hopefully I can figure out why it doesn't blend very well, but so far that's the only problem that I've had with it. At first I didn't like it because I felt like nothing was blending, and then I found out it was just the black that didn't work very well. That was actually in my last video that I did on Mulaney. I have used the purples and the pinks in the palette and they've worked really, really good. So that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and use the purple and pink today and create an eye look and then have a fun little wig on. So it's gonna be cute. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my primer. Well, I've already moisturized. I'm gonna go in and do my primer, then my foundation, my concealer. I'll do all of this probably off camera and then we'll get into the rest. All right. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my RCMA translucent powder, and it's actually the no color powder, so it won't change the color of anything underneath it. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my matte bronzer from Tarte, and it's in Park Ave Princess, and it is the Amazon clay that they have. Okay, next I am going to go in with the brows. I'm going to use my normal Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade and Ebony. Go in with my Tarte concealer and I'm going to go ahead and clean up my eyebrows. Well, I'm going to go ahead and clean up my one eyebrow. I'll do the other one off camera. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Norvina 1 palette, and I'm going to go in with, for a transition shade, I'm going to start with B1, and it's like a pinky shade. Yes, we'll start with that one. Here it goes. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the same palette, and I'm going to go ahead and use A2 for the next shade. Okay, I'm going in with my concealer and I'm going to go ahead and do my cut crease. And it's going to be a really long and extended cut crease. I'm going to follow this shape. Shade that I'm going to go in with is A1, and it's like a shimmery purple color. It's really, really pretty. super light, and I'm gonna put that all on the base here where I did my cut crease. I'm just gonna pack it in too. Well, it's not packing very well, so apparently I'm gonna have to use my finger. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Inglact. It is a black gel liner. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with D2 and I'm gonna pack that onto the black. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the under part. Okay, so I started putting the shade on the under eye and I forgot to redo the concealer on the underneath part of this wing. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go in and do the pink shades underneath the under eye. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye and then I will be right back. Okay, so next I'm gonna place my lashes and then we'll get to blush, highlighter, and lips. Okay, let's blush away this powder. Let's brush away this powder. Good, we're gonna put on some highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Which one is it? I don't know which one it is. Oh, this is it right there. So I want to glow like crazy, so I'm gonna go nuts on this. Like a disco ball. I'm gonna go in with some blush. This is from Cozzette. I don't know how to say it, but that's fine. And I am gonna go in with this pink shade right here. Good, let's go ahead and move to lips. So I have this purple shade here and there's no writing on it, so I don't know what it is. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some of that D2 eyeshadow. And I'm gonna place it right on my lips as they're wet. And to really add some flair, I'm gonna add some false lashes to the underneath. Okay guys, this is my final look. I am all done. I put my weave on, well not my weave, I put my wig on, and I just thought it would give it some extra pop, like it needs more. I think this would be more of like an editorial look. This wouldn't be a normal everyday wear for most people. Some people, this look, they'd be like, oh my god, that's beautiful. And then other people, this look would freak them out. To each their own. I had fun creating it and I hope you enjoyed watching it. A part of doing makeup is expressing yourself and having fun with it and creating something that you enjoy. So if you enjoyed what I created, if you enjoyed watching, if you would like to see more, go ahead and leave comments and tell me what you think. Love it, hate it, whatever you want to say, go ahead, I don't care. And if you love this wig and you think I should eventually go blonde, let me know, because I want to anyways. I keep having to check my teeth because I keep getting color all over it. Anyways, if you enjoyed this, let me know. We will see you later. Oh man, wigs are itchy.